Have you been told that coffee is bad for your health? You might be avoiding one of the most beneficial drinks out there. Let's get straight to the point. Coffee is not only safe, but it also has incredible benefits for your heart, brain, and even physical performance. The first thing you need to know is that coffee is a powerful source of caffeine and antioxidants, two elements that can have a significant impact on your health when used correctly. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that activates the nervous system, improves focus, and boosts energy levels. But here's the catch. Its effects depend on the dose and your sensitivity. Some people metabolize caffeine quickly and need a higher amount to feel the effects, while others feel a significant difference with just 1 cup. There's a common belief that coffee is bad for your cardiovascular system, but science says otherwise. Studies involving thousands of people have shown that moderate coffee consumption actually reduces the risk of heart disease. Yes, coffee can temporarily raise blood pressure, but this effect is short-lived, just like when you climb stairs or exercise. Speaking of exercise, drinking coffee before a workout can enhance performance. It reduces fatigue and increases endurance, making it a natural hack for better training sessions. Here's where it gets really interesting. The antioxidants in coffee help protect your body from aging and disease. Compounds like polyphenols, chlorogenic acid, and melanoidins fight cellular damage, reduce inflammation, and even help prevent diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. There's a right and wrong way to drink coffee if you want to maximize its benefits. Best time to drink it? In the morning, after your body has naturally reached its cortisol peak. Worst time? At night. Even if you think it doesn't affect your sleep, it lowers sleep quality. Need an afternoon cup? Go for decaf, but make sure it's water processed, not chemically decaffeinated. If you drink instant coffee, freeze-dried, lyophilized coffee is the best choice since it preserves more nutrients without unnecessary additives. Yes, but in moderate, controlled amounts. In these cases, decaf is the best option. So if you've been avoiding coffee for the wrong reasons, now you know the truth. It can be a powerful ally for your health and performance when consumed wisely. Enjoy the benefits, but respect your dose and timing. If you found this information helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep learning about health and wellness. See you in the next video.